Fairfax County Senior Citizens Council is a county-wide network for older adults.
It connects them to programs, services, and resources.
It provides opportunities for engagement in a wide variety of activities.
It helps older adults throughout the county access all that life in Fairfax has to offer. The Fairfax County Senior Citizens Council began 50 years ago when older adults participated in a variety of social clubs and groups all across the county before senior centers as we know them today even existed. The council provided a chance for representatives of these different groups to connect with one another, stay active, advocate for senior needs and opportunities, and provide their members with a variety of information on programs, services, and resources that are available to them.
While much has changed in Fairfax County in 50 years, the Senior Citizens Council remains a valuable network for seniors across the county to experience the best Fairfax County has to offer for older adults.
I would recommend an individual to be part of the Senior Citizens Council in order to learn what's available in your region, in your area of the county. We have such a vast county. And once you're there, the programs are wonderful.
With the Senior Council, it gives us the opportunity to listen to guest speakers that come in and give us some vital information that we can use and take back to our groups.
It doesn't matter whether you're a government agency, a nonprofit organization, or a church group or bridge club. The Senior Citizens Council is for representatives of all organizations serving older adults in Fairfax County.
The council, supported by Fairfax County Neighborhood and Community Services, meets in each human service region monthly on the fourth Friday of the month from 10 a.m. to noon. Just pick the location nearest you and we'll see you there.
For more information about the Senior Citizens Council, visit us at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS/SeniorCitizensCouncil.htm. You can also contact Fairfax County Neighborhood and Community Services for more information at 703-324-4600, TTY 711.